If we find ourselves in a situation where we are really stumped by a question or objection that the unbeliever raises, I think it's really important that you not try to pull a snow job on him. That's dishonest, and he'll probably see through it. It would be much better to simply say, I don't know, let me look into it, and then I'll get back to you, and try to make an appointment for a follow-up that will actually guarantee in that way a further conversation. And then during that week or so, you can look into the matter. And I found that unbelievers really respect the humility and honesty that is expressed in saying, I don't know. There is no shame in that whatsoever. And so I would just encourage folks to be honest with the unbeliever at that point, and then to use that as an opportunity to go deeper and to meet with him again.